In addition to enabling scientists to peer further into space, the James Webb Telescope will allow us to travel into the past. But how? Greetings from Theory of Science. For more details, watch the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe before you drift away like a continent. Eager to know about the latest galaxies in our space? Wait and watch the whole video. Let's get into the first galaxy on the list. SMACS 0723. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope's first objective is the galaxy cluster SMACS 0723, located 4.24 billion light-years away. The huge cluster is located in the southern constellation VOLANS, commonly known as the Flying Fish. Some of the furthest galaxies ever observed have their light bent by the galaxy cluster, which functions as a gravitational lens. These galaxies are hidden behind the cluster and visible as arcs of light around it in the JSWT image. Astronomers may detect some of these galaxies because of massive galaxies like SMACS 0723, whose light is magnified and distorted because of the sheer bulk of the clusters in the foreground. It was produced using pictures obtained by the near-infrared camera, NIRCam. Far-off galaxies have come into sharp focus with the help of Webb's NIRCam. WASP 96b. On July 12th, the team revealed 4 additional images that moved the presenting astronomers to tears. WASP 96b is one among the many exoplanets discovered in recent years. Broad-angle search for planets WASP discovered it in 2013. NIRISS, or Webb's Near-Infrared Imager and Slitless Spectrograph, which was used to create the transmission spectrum, displays atmospheric features of the hot gas giant exoplanet WASP 96b. Exoplanet discovery and characterization, first light detection, and exoplanet transit spectroscopy are among NIRISS's main goals. In this instance, it observed the WASP-96 system's light for 6.4 hours as the planet passed in front of the star. The planet, which is located in the constellation Phoenix and has almost half the mass of Jupiter, is 1,150 light-years away from Earth in a solar system. WASP-96b, which orbits its sun-like star WASP-96 every 3.5 Earth days at a distance of just 1/9 that of Mercury, 0.6 to 2.8 microns, show the planet's first signs of its atmosphere of water vapor as well as hints of clouds and haze. Orion Nebula. These photographs from the James Webb Telescope's near-infrared camera NIRCam were published on September 12, 2022, and they show fine details of the Orion Nebula. One of the most well-known celestial objects that can be seen with the unaided human eye is the Orion Nebula. It is possible to find that the nebula in Orion's constellation is the product of a stellar nursery where young stars are created. It contains gas and dust from many young stars and is a component in a much bigger Orion NL system. The Milky Way's Orion Nebula, sometimes referred to as NGC 1976 or M42, is located in the Orion constellation to the south of Orion's belt. It is one of the most visible and brightest nebula observed with an unaided eye in the night sky. It is the nearest zone of massive star formation on Earth, situated at a distance of around 1,344 light-years. The Orion Nebula is thought to be 24 light-years large and 2,000 times as massive as the Sun. STEPHAN'S Quintet. The STEPHAN'S Quintet, a stunning group of 5 galaxies, is displayed in never-before-seen clarity in the accompanying photographs thanks to MIRI's potent mid-infrared vision. It is a bit misleading to refer to it as a quintet of galaxies because NGC 7320, the largest and brightest of the 5, is only a bystander, while the other 4 galaxies, NGC 7317, NGC 7318A, NGC 7318b, and NGC 7319, are situated at a distance of around 200 million light-years and constitute a genuine galactic group. 4 of the 5 galaxies in the quintet are involved in a cosmic dance of repeated close encounters. In fact, NGC 7318A and NGC 7318b, 2 of these galaxies, have already begun to merge. MIRI witnessed enormous shockwaves, tidal tails, and gas and stars pulled from the galaxy's outer parts by interactions via regions shrouded in dust. Regions of invisible star development were also found. The brand new MIRI data offers significant new insights into how the galaxy interactions in the early cosmos may have impacted galaxy evolution. CARINA Nebula. 8,500 light-years away from Earth, in the southern constellation CARINA, is the CARINA Nebula, one of the biggest and most stunning nebula in the sky. Over the years, the CARINA Nebula has emerged as a significant area of study due to its presentation of a cosmic event lasting only 50,000 to 100,000 years. The nebula is one of the greatest diffuse nebulae in our night sky. Due to its placement in the southern sky, 4 times bigger and even brighter than the Orion Nebula, the CARINA Nebula is less well known than the latter. There are hundreds more previously undiscovered stars and additional young stars releasing bubbles, cavities, and jets in the just-released Webb image, which is invisible at the top of this page. Thanks to Webb's study of the CARINA Nebula and other nurseries, astronomers may be able to resolve the long-standing puzzle of how gas and dust, the constituents of stars and planets, might also serve to prevent future births. The James Webb Space Telescope proves to be the best one now in use for taking incredibly clear photographs of space. Hope you all received the information about new galaxies present in the atmosphere. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for interesting content. Also, please tap on the bell icon for new notifications.